Hello friends, welcome back again. So already I have completed many more things in this AutoCAD lecture series. Learn complete AutoCAD with PM. So I have completed 2D floor plan, electrical layout plan, then furniture layout plan and other details. Now I'm giving you a detail or the most important plan required is plumbing details. So here I am preparing sanitary plan as well as water supply plan. So I will first here I have shown the detailed furniture of kitchen as well as bathroom. But here we always work with layers. But here what we'll do, we'll first create the plan and then allot it, because there are n number of pipes or different number of pipes we need to use. That is waste pipe, soil pipe, then water supply pipe, then sink pipe. So one more furniture first we'll add and then we'll go directly sink. For toilet and bath, sink not added. So I will add the sink and then I will go for the showing you water supply plan. This is simple lines you need to draw, correct? And then we'll go in detail. But water supply plan as well as sanitary plan. So to create the water supply and drainage layout plan, first sanitary, you can say, we copy this. We will copy this. Select this and just copy, enter, just copy, select object, enter, select base point and make one copy here. So why I have copied this? Because in first drawing I'll make water supply layout and then in another, so our bathrooms are here, so we'll make drainage layout. We'll lay drainage pipe here and make manholes and gully traps. So manholes, the waste of soil waste of your bathroom is collected, waste of your water closet is collected in manhole, and in gully trap the waste from sink, kitchen sink as well as bathroom sink, so that will be collected in gully trap. So to avoid the mixing, we are providing this gully trap and manhole. Now here first we'll create the manholes and see, we will not bend any pipe. So we'll create manhole here, one manhole here, one here at the boundary of plot, and then we'll connect this to the drainage, public sewer, or you make a septic tank. So here I am showing you how to connect this waste sanitary plan or drainage layout and connect it to the public sewer. So for this, first we will we'll select the rectangle, and here instead of furniture we'll keep by default layer on and select rectangle and create here rectangle of 2 feet, tab 2 feet, enter, 2 feet by 2 feet rectangle. See, this will take offset of 6 inch internal. So this is the offset we have taken, 6 inch. Then we'll make two GTs. So because we'll copy this also, copy for this toilet also, we'll copy here. Correct. Then so here we'll create one GT here. So we'll create GT here. So we'll get connection from this. We'll add one more GT. So select rectangle, click here, 1 feet 6 inches, first dimension, tab, another dimension 1 feet 6 inches, enter. So we'll move this. I'll make it at center. Keep it, or we'll keep it here. Then select this. We'll take offset of 6 inch. Enter. Correct. Then Control S to save it. So this is GT. So we'll take text. Now here we have text layer. So we'll make text layer on. Text. So select text right here, type GT, gully track, and then again instead of taking copy, take here, type here, this is manhole, and then connect. We'll take pipe, from here, take here, and then connect here. So we'll select this pipe and make this is by default, and make by default layer on. Then we'll select the line, select here this line, this GT, and then from this line to GT. Correct. Now here also we'll make one GT. So we'll copy this, just copy, and we'll keep it here. Then we'll connect this kitchen sink to this GT, and then we'll connect this main drainage line to here to this manhole. And now we'll copy this manhole. and we'll keep one chamber here and one at the boundary, and then we'll select drainage line, we'll connect here to here and one more line from here to here, and then we'll connect this GT gully trap waste to our main line, correct, this way. So this is what a simple drainage layout plan. And then from here to here, so this way to public sewer. So here we'll make text layer on, select text here to public sewer line. So this is the simple way of drawing the drainage layout. So here we'll write title here, drainage layout plan, correct. So drainage layout plan we have already drawn. Now we'll prepare the layers. So first layer MH and GT 2020. So we'll choose color green. Okay, then we'll green selection, correct. Here is select this. Simply select, correct, and make this as a chain, correct. Then we'll prepare two more layers, that is the waste pipe, and color will choose black, and line will choose load one more line, choose this line, okay, this, okay. Then waste pipe. So this is the waste from this is the pipes which joins waste from the kitchen sunk to GT and GT to manhole, then kitchen sunk to toilet sunk to GT, and there's toilet GT to MH. Then select this as a waste pipe. So these are the waste pipe. Then remaining layer will create remaining layer of one more layer and soil pipe, and here we'll choose color again, choose color this one, okay. Line type will use this line, okay. Then This is the waste pipe, means the waste from the your path. It is directly connected to the manhole, or we can connect it to the septic tank. So waste pipe. Then here we'll make Control S to save the drawing. Again we'll make waste pipe, layer on, then select, and from here we select this to manhole. So this way we have created the line. Properties, and here is 10. Enter. So this way we'll take this, match properties, match it with here, then again select this, match properties, here, 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 and here. Correct? Control S. So then create one more layer, that is the main drainage line. So color, we'll choose color this one. So we'll select this, this and this, and make it main drainage line. And here we'll choose line type. friends, after this we will prepare water supply layout. Water supply layout, here we have prepared underground water tank and its cover. Then we'll create here one chamber. So chamber of 1 feet by 1 feet. So we'll select rectangle, don't click, just here, and 2 feet, tab, 2 feet, enter, and its thickness will take offset of 6 inch, enter, and here to here. So here we have drawn this. We select this and make layer water supply details. So chamber, and here we'll make water supply details as a current layer. Then we'll select the pipeline. Join here, click here, and here we'll make test layer on and write their text. We'll copy this, and keep it here, and write here from main water supply line. तो मेन वाटर सप्लाई लाइन से यहाँ पे कनेक्ट होगा, और हम लोग क्या करेंगे यहाँ से, और विल कनेक्ट दिस टू दिस वाटर टैंक, करेक्ट, एंड देन फ्रॉम दिस वाटर टैंक or here we'll clear this as a water supply detail. Then we'll make water supply detail layer as a current, then select line, and see from here we'll keep one here connection and clear here main line here, and we will keep connection here, correct. So detailed internal supply, water supply, we'll see in other, or you can put one connection here, one connection this cock, sink cock, and this water tank to the top. So we'll place here we'll select a rectangle, select circle, and we'll draw here, and this is the main pipeline which supply water to the overhead water tank, and then from overhead water tank to here we'll take 1 inch diagram. So here, so this is from overhead water tank to here, and then we'll take inside here and one connection here for water closet. Then one connect will take from main connection, will take here, will go here, and we'll give it here for shower, as well as we'll give from here one connection to here sink cock, and then we'll take this connection to the bathtub. Then from here we'll take one more connection up to here. From here take two connections here. One connection for bathtub, one connection for this toilet hub, and one more connection will take for shower, and from here we'll take one more connection for here sink cock. Correct? Then same main supply line will take it to kitchen, and here we will give this connection to kitchen pump. So this is nothing but a water supply plug, and from this we'll take one more connection here. So for this take connection here, here, from connection of to here, from below staircase up to here, and then from the above water tank take connection to the here. Here we provide one cock above. this is called as the water supply layout. This is drainage layout and this is water supply layout. So what are the different types of connections, what are the different pipes, and see, these are the internal connections. Internal connection, we require cold water connection for cold water as well as connection for hot water. That we'll see in next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe channel for more such fruitful videos. Thank you.